Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb break off and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb break off is to stop doing something, especially speaking. During the debate, Martin gave up. I think it's time I broke off from the conversation. I don't think I'm getting anywhere with this conversation. She is so beautiful. Everyone always stares at her. Even when she walks into a crowded room, they all break off from their conversations to take notice of her. Meaning two of break off is to end a relationship, discussion, or agreement. The women gossip about their friends. Did you hear that Sam and Tina have broken off their engagement? The two companies plan on merging as one. The ongoing negotiations have been broken off because we can't come to a profitable arrangement for everyone. So let's look back on what we covered. Break off can mean to stop doing something, especially speaking. She broke off when she knew she was wrong. To end a relationship, discussion, or agreement. The countries broke off their diplomatic relations. Where did you hear the phrasal verb break off? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.